Hello everyone and welcome to our group video presentation of Calculus 1. Today, me and my group consists of a sister, it's me, Kimi, Awi and Gerald will be present our assignment. Hope you guys enjoy and let's begin. Okay, now I will present to you guys our group member, which starts with me, Leicester Tang, holding a matrix number 2022619622, and the second one is Muhammad Hakimi bin Rakawi, which holding a matrix number 2022643768, and the third one is Gerald Jerome Anang, which holding a matrix number 2022465766, and the last one is Nur Azawi bin Arbi, which holding a metric number 2022649004. Okay, now I'm presenting to you our topic for our assignment is application of differentiation. Okay, now I will explain to you guys the application of differentiation in daily life. The first example is derivative are used to derive many equations in physics. And the second one is to calculate the profit and loss in business using graph. And the last one is to check the temperature variation or determine the speed or distance covered such as miles per hour or kilometer per hour.
So now for our introduction. Little story for this one. One day, while Gerald, Awi, and Kimi were taking a shower in separate bathrooms, they realized the shower was getting a little slower. So they decided to take some water from the reserve tank in case the water in their colleges run out. And unfortunate for them, a few hours after, the supply of water was cut off and Awi was unable to reserve water for himself. So Awi went down to check if it was really cut off, and unfortunate of him to realize that it was. So he decided to meet up with Gerald and Kimi at the cafeteria for dinner to talk about it. As they sat down for dinner, Gerald suddenly opened up the topic about the water supply issue around campus, and suddenly Lex was there to pick up his dinner and decided to join the conversation. They were having a discussion on making a water tank to overcome this issue. They estimated that the total students in UITM is about 3,000 and plan to build a cylindrical water tank that is placed at both colleges, Seri Pinang 1 and 2, which is able to hold about 1,500 liters of water for the next week. The water tank will be 2 meters in diameter and 4 meters in height.
Introduction. So as they wake up the next morning, they immediately started the paperwork and decided to send it to the UITM office to propose their plan. About 3 days later, their plan were approved by the higher ups. So they plan to make the cylindrical tank can last up to a week until the water supply issue is resolved. So they started the calculation on whether the water in the tank can last for that amount of time. Related rates will be applied to count the fluid level. Estimate that the rate to fill the cylindrical water tank is 400 cm3 per hour. The problem statement. The problem states that creating a water storage facility for UITM students, ensuring access to clean and drinkable water for all individuals on campus, employing differentiation principle to successfully tackle this issue.
For the problem solution, the rate to fill the cylindrical water tank is 400 cm3 per hour. It gives us dV over dt is equal to 400. And we are asked to find dH over dt. For the formula, we have dV over dt is equal to 1500 pi r squared dH over dt. And then we substitute the known value dV over dt equal to 400 into the formula. It gives us dH over dt is equal to 400 over 1500 pi r squared. And then we cancel out the number and we have 4 over 15 pi r squared. And for the final calculation, we know that the diameter is equal to 2 meter, so we divide it by 2 to find the radius. So the radius is 1 meter, and then we substitute the radius into the formula. It gives us dh over dt is equal to 4 over 10 pi times 1, and then it's equal to 0.127 meter per day for the water decrease in the tank. And for a week, we multiply it by 7, so we have 0.889 meter per week for the water decrease in the tank.
Conclusion: the water tank will provide enough clean water for a student on campus for 1 week. Mathematics, specifically related rates, was used to estimate this. The cylindrical tank will benefit all students, and the water will be provided for free. Mathematics is essential in real life and particularly important in civil engineering. We need to use maths to determine the size of the tank to meet our objective of supplying clean water to the students. Thank you for watching.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
for watching.
That's all from us. Bye-bye.
Bye.